So I told you I was trying to work out every day. I got some clips of me doing some different things throughout this week. Today I'm about to head out on my normal run and do my house workout. I'll show it to y'all here in a little bit. Alright party people, out here Wednesday night, getting my workout on, play a little ultimate frisbee, got the crew behind us. This is how I talk, this is one of the best ways to get in shape. You don't play a sport, you want to get out and do something for an hour and get some exercise. Find an ultimate frisbee game, get out there, join it, play it, have fun.
Look over here, look how fast this bike's going. That's all right, you can do it. Cut him off. Blake has to save Mike again. Yeah! Defense! 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 It's still flat and the wind is blowing, but it's going to be a beautiful day. We'll let you know how the rest of the storm goes. Right now from Eastern Lake, Seagrove Beach, this is what we're looking at. There you go. Alright everybody, here's your update. Hurricane Irma. Still calm outside, the wind's blowing, but if you can see, the storm is just on the edge of getting to us. Should be getting some rain here in just a little bit, but the Gulf is calm, the lake is risen. We'll see how the day goes. All right, here we go. So I got down here for an evening update. Little bit of sunset behind me. Thought it'd be a little better, started to clear up earlier, but the clouds rolled back in. Irma still kicking some winds and clouds to us. You can see a little bit of a sunset. The colors are there. It's gonna be a good one. This should be the last of what we see, but I'll tell you what, I will send you another update tomorrow morning when I get up early on. Y'all have a good evening. Hope everyone's safe. It's a beautiful day out here today. Even got a little bit of swell coming in. Storm has passed, beautiful weather. Everybody have a great day.